Today we are going to talk about something very important, admission modes in Germany. It sounds complicated, but don't worry, I'll explain everything in simple words. So, if you are planning about studying in Germany, stay tuned, hit the bell icon, and subscribe the channel. First of all, what exactly is admission mode? Sounds fancy, but is quite simple. Admission modes are the rules or the ways that the university in Germany accepts students. So when you apply to a particular university, they'll decide if you can study there or not based on certain sets of conditions. Let's talk about admission with local restrictions. Imagine you go to a party where only the best dancers are allowed. You will have to prove that you can dance better than everyone else there to get in. Well, that's what exactly this mode is about. Some universities in Germany only allow students with the best grades and best qualifications to study certain courses. This means you need to be really good at what you do. You can think of it like a competition. The best students with the highest marks are chosen first and others need to wait. This type of admission is called numerus clausus or NC, which is basically a fancy Latin term for limited seats. In simple words, it means that if many students want to join the course, the university will choose the best ones based on their grades. If you have good grades, you have the high chances of being accepted. Courses like medicine, law, psychology are usually NC, meaning you need to have a killer GPA or Abitur to get in. But don't stress, many programs have manageable requirements and there are ways to boost your chances. Then comes admission without restriction. Once again, imagine you're going to a big party and everyone is invited. No special guest list, no waiting, nothing. Just come in, show your invitation and enjoy the party. That's what admission without restriction is like. If a university is offering you with such type of admission, you just need to meet the basic requirements like your previous school grades, language skills, and you are in. There's no competition or extra tests to pass. If you meet the university's requirement, you can join the course easily. Non-NC programs, on the other hand, are the golden ticket. These courses don't have seat limitations, meaning if you meet the basic eligibility criteria, you are in. This is perfect for international students, especially if you want to explore unique fields like renewable energy, engineering, or digital marketing. But don't get too excited. This doesn't mean studying in Germany is easy. The classes will still be hard, so you need to work hard and study hard. Alright, so you now know and understand the two types of admission modes. But before you pack your bags and book your flights to Germany, there are some important things you need to know. First, let's talk about language. Most universities in Germany are in German, but there are also many courses in English. If you're going to study in German, you need to prove that you can speak the language. If your course is in English, you might need to show your English skills like an IELTS or TOEFL score. So make sure to check the language requirements before applying. You need to show that you have enough money to support yourself. This is called blocked account. It means a bank account where you need to put money for your living expenses in Germany. The amount changes every year, so be sure to check how much you need before you apply. Then comes the accommodation part. Finding a place to live in Germany can be a little difficult, especially in bigger cities. It's better to start early. You can live in student dormitories or you can rent a private apartment. But remember, start looking early or you might end up living far from your university. And don't forget about the cultural differences. Germany is different from many other countries. For example, in Germany, Sunday is a quiet day. Most shops and businesses are closed. So don't plan to go shopping on Sundays. So now you know about the two types of admission modes in Germany, without restriction and with local restriction. Remember, admission without restriction is easy to get in if you meet the basic requirements. But local restrictions are a bit more competitive and you need to have really good grades. So before you come to Germany, don't forget to check your language skills, get your blog account ready, and most important, find a place to live. Also, don't be afraid of the cultural differences here. They are a part of big adventure in your life. And remember, the best way to get through all this is a positive attitude and a big smile. Let's make your dream for Germany come true. See you all in next video where we'll be talking about some important things you need to know before you come to Germany. Take care, good luck, and have a better future.